One common question I get from clients is about the Squarespace contact form. They want to know if they can get that information in another way other than just having it emailed to them. Now, you can find it in the contacts panel of Squarespace, but it's a little buried, it's hard to get to, and you can only see each result individually. So, today I'm going to show you how to connect a Google Sheet to your Squarespace contact form so you can see everything at one glance. So I'm here in a Squarespace template on the contact page. This is a typical contact form using the contact block. We're going to click edit. And then when you double click on this form, you're going to have some extra options here. So if we scroll down, there is an option for additional storage. If you click this and then click connect to Google Drive, it's going to open up a pop-up window and have you log into your Google account. Once you do that, you're going to hit continue, and you're going to hit continue again to grant Squarespace access. Once that's done, you come back here and you're going to name your spreadsheet. So just type in contact form. Now, the awkward part of this is there's no way to submit this, but when you hit the back button, it's saving that Google Sheet information. You can see it here, so it's saved. Now we're gonna back out of this some more, and then we're gonna hit save in the upper left of our website. And now we're going to test out this form, so I'm just gonna fill it out here in the editor, and I'll submit it. And now I'm gonna go and open up my Google Sheet. Okay, this is the new Google Sheet. I named it contact form. And now I have every field that was part of that contact block. My name, my email, my message, and what I was interested in. And you can also see the date and time it was submitted. Now, the only thing to keep in mind about this sheet is that you cannot edit it because it will break the connection. So if I came in here and I added extra things or I changed some of the stuff, it's going to mess up the connection with Google. So keep this view only, don't edit it, but you can absolutely paste this into another document when you're ready to do something with this. It's really fun to go back and see, what people were interested in at the end of a year. What were most people interested in? Or where did your referrals come from? Something like that. So this is a really handy way to get all of that information at a glance without having to dig through the Squarespace contact view. But just in case you want to see that, I'm going to show you where that lives. So inside Squarespace, you're going to go to contacts, and here is that email that I filled out. We can filter this by form submitter details and say yes and view the contacts that way. And then when we click on them, we can go into that form detail and see all the information they submitted. So this is kind of a bear to get to, and that's why I like connecting a Google Sheet if you want to see everything at once. Bayla, and I hope that you found this helpful, and we wish you all the best with your website.